Welcome back to Tech Up, your go-to channel for exploring cutting-edge kitchen innovations. If you love cooking or want to simplify your daily culinary tasks, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're unveiling 10 high-tech gadgets that are perfect for any modern kitchen. From egg makers to slicers, these gadgets not only boost your cooking efficiency, but add a touch of innovation to your kitchen space. So, without further ado, let's jump into the list and discover the tools that could transform your cooking experience. 1. Mananov Egg Maker, $29.99. First on our list is the Mananov Egg Maker, a true kitchen game changer. This gadget can cook up to 7 eggs at once, and it does so with precision, perfectly boiled to your desired consistency, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard. Its digital interface makes it easy to adjust the cooking time. What really sets this egg maker apart is its portability and ease of cleaning. Imagine hosting a brunch and offering your guests eggs that are perfectly cooked every time. No more guesswork. 2. Omisen Magnetic Knife Block Holder, $39.99. Next we have the Omisen Magnetic Knife Block Holder. This isn't just a storage solution, but a way to enhance your kitchen's aesthetic. The sleek wooden block showcases your knives in an elegant manner, while keeping them securely in place with strong magnets. Additionally, it reduces wear and tear on your blades, as you no longer have to slide them into a traditional block. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, having easy access to your knives is a game changer, and this holder does that with style. 3. AMZ Chef Milk Frother and Steamer. The AMZ Chef Milk Frother and Steamer brings cafe-quality beverages to your home. Whether you're a fan of cappuccinos, lattes, or macchiatos, this frother allows you to create creamy, perfectly textured foam for your drinks. It features multiple temperature settings and foam consistencies, so you can tailor it to suit your preference. This versatile gadget also includes a steamer function, perfect for heating milk or preparing hot chocolates. Imagine having a barista-quality coffee machine right on your kitchen counter. It'll elevate your morning routine. 4. Presto Pop Light Hot Air Popcorn Popper. If you're a fan of healthy snacking, the Presto Pop Light Hot Air Popcorn Popper is a must-have. This hot air popper can make up to 18 cups of popcorn in just minutes, without needing oil. It's the ideal gadget for movie nights, game days, or simply enjoying a healthy snack. Plus, popcorn made with air is much healthier than microwave or stovetop alternatives. Easy to clean and efficient, it's a great way to make guilt-free snacks that the whole family can enjoy. 5. Jungsheng Folding Chef Japanese Knife, $17.77. This Jungsheng Folding Chef Japanese knife brings portability to a whole new level. Crafted with high-carbon stainless steel, it offers durability and precision when slicing and dicing. The foldable design makes it travel-friendly, allowing you to take it to outdoor barbecues, picnics, or cooking classes. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long prep sessions, and its compact size means it won't take up much room in your kitchen drawer. Whether you're slicing vegetables or trimming meat, this knife performs at an elite level. 6. Lukemunda Electric Citrus Juicer, $26.99. The Lukemunda Electric Citrus Juicer ensures you can enjoy freshly squeezed juice every morning without breaking a sweat. Its automatic reverse function extracts maximum juice from any citrus fruit, lemons, oranges, grapefruits, with minimal effort. The juicer is compact, stylish, and powerful, fitting neatly into any kitchen setup. Best of all, cleanup is a breeze with its detachable, dishwasher-safe components. Fresh juice has never been easier to make, and it's a healthier option compared to store-bought alternatives that may contain added sugars. 7. Beck Bold F Silicone Cooking Utensils Set, $27.99. If you're tired of dealing with melted or damaged utensils, the Beck Bold F Silicone Cooking Utensils Set is for you. These heat-resistant, non-stick utensils are durable and stylish, with a design that protects your cookware from scratches. Whether you're flipping pancakes or stirring soups, these utensils make cooking easier. Plus, the set is dishwasher safe, making cleaning up just as simple. Available in multiple colors, it adds a vibrant touch to your kitchen while providing top-notch functionality. 8. Keurig K-Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker, $59.99. The Keurig K-Mini is a compact coffee maker perfect for those who want their caffeine fix quickly. Despite its small size, it brews a perfect cup of coffee in minutes, compatible with all K-Cup pods. It's designed for convenience, featuring an auto-off function and a cord storage system for easy transport. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who loves coffee, this gadget saves time and space without sacrificing flavor. It's an ideal fit for small kitchens or dorm rooms. 9. East Candy French Fry Cutter, $79.99. Elevate your homemade fries with the East Candy French Fry Cutter. Its stainless steel blades ensure that you can quickly and effortlessly slice through potatoes, creating uniform fries that cook evenly. Whether you like them thick or thin, this gadget lets you control the size of each fry with interchangeable blades. It's perfect for creating healthier fries at home, avoiding the additives and preservatives found in store-bought or fast food versions. This cutter will save you time while encouraging healthier eating habits. 10th. Geedle Mandolin Slicer, $25.99. Finally, the Geedle Mandolin Slicer is a versatile tool for anyone who loves cooking. Whether you're slicing vegetables for a salad or fruits for a dessert, this mandolin provides precision and speed. The adjustable blade settings allow you to create slices of varying thicknesses so you can customize your cut. Its safety features, like the handguard, ensure a smooth, safe slicing process. The compact size makes it easy to store, and the blade is durable enough to withstand daily use. That wraps up our list of the top high-tech kitchen gadgets of 2024. We hope these tools inspire you to upgrade your kitchen and cooking routine. Which of these gadgets are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Up for more amazing content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!